Hey and welcome back to Sparrow Fashion. My name is Aniela and today I will show you how to make cute, beginner-friendly gift and you don't need to print any pattern. So subscribe, like, and let's begin sewing. Cut two squares length 21 centimeters on 21 centimeters and elastic length 25 centimeters. And of course add some interfacing on the back of your fabric. Lining fold in half and mark center. Press flat to create this crease in the center. Then open flat and pin our elastic right in the center, up and down. Now with right sides together, pin outer fabric to lining. And sew with straight stitch 1 cm from edge, leaving gap about 2 or 3 centimeters. So slowly, do not rush the process. Keep that in your mind that you need to make this more clean because it will be a gift. And one process is finished, now it's time for next one. We're going to trim these corners with scissor, but do it carefully to not cut the seams. And now turn the right side out through gap. With iron, press flat. Top stitch all the way around, and this way you're gonna close the gap. Fold 2 times in 3 equal parts. And upper edge fold in triangle and pin with clip to secure. Fold fabric and again fold upper edge in triangle shape. Then pin with clips. It's better to pin with clips instead of pins. And top stitch sides and bottom. Final step is pressing well. And voila, your pencil case aka bookmark is ready. Write me in the comment, will you make it one for yourself or as a gift? What type of fabric you will use? What do you think about it? And here you can see how you can use it, this bookmark with beautiful pencil case. I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done it, like, and see you in the next one.